Hi, welcome to the Showcase Skiing channel. Alright, today is an eventful day. Cycle from Pongo to Coney Island to test out the Kootu pedal which I mentioned previously, which I'm going to abuse it. I guess it fails me. If you can see, it starts to shake. Alright. Can you see that? So, what is my take on the Kootu pedal? I should say it's not recommended for the price. I paid $32 after discount, and until now, after riding for a week, it's still not spinning that well. Wow. Okay, see the way it spins, it's no good. And actually it came off a few times while I'm traveling from Pongo to Marina. Maybe because I did not put in Loctite. Okay, if you think that I did not put in Loctite, or what I should have done to make the pedal stays in the crank, do comment. Tell me your suggestions for people who do not have Loctite at home. Alright, I do not keep Loctite. Is there any other ways I can keep my pedal snug fit tight so that it doesn't come out? Or is it the problem is the pedal because it's not spinning smoothly? So the moment I have pressure acting on it, somehow it turns this shaft, and that's why it came off. Okay, why I say today is an eventful day. Alright, after going through the entire Coney Island trail, I finally had a puncture. Alright, so I spent this amount on repairs, $8 for the inner tube and $10 for labor. So that's it. Finally, if you ever think of going to Coney Island for a trail, please bring along spare inner tube. And although the bike can take the punishment, I don't think the tube, the rims or the spoke is able to take it, because the puncture could be from the spoke itself when it hit a a rough patch of the area. Right, because the leak was very little, I'm able to pump it up, and along the way from Coney Island to the next available repair shop, which is in, let's see, okay, Scootway. Okay, I'm not advertising for them, but should you have a fix that you need it done urgently before you're going to go back, you can cycle all the way to Pongo Marina, where there is the only bike shop that does repairs. Alright, so that's all for today. Stay tuned for my reviews from other things, such as my GT Karakoram. Okay, stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, and ride safe. God bless.